Getting pictures or photo frames onto the wall can be a bit hit and miss.
This annoying problem, whether you're at home, at work, or even in an art gallery, has an ingenious but simple solution. Katchy Hook. All the best ideas are simple. The Katchy Hook takes the pain, strain, and frustration out of hanging a picture on the wall. Let me show you. Easy. So, how does Katchy Hook work? Well, the hook basically flips out about 40 millimeters, that's around 1.5 inches, allowing the string to catch on. It then folds down out of the way. Simple. Easy.